A quick update on the issues that we noticed on the latest 1903 Windows 10 cumulative update and the installation of the MegaCell monitor. What we noticed is that during the installation we tried to install all the prerequisites, .NET Framework and the Visual Studio runtime libraries. That since the October update that's failing. And today we're going to show you how that's going to look like. So if you have that issue, there's also a alternative way, because most of the machines already have .NET Framework. So here you see us starting up the installation, and we accept the license agreements, and it will start the install of .NET Framework at some point. And during the installation, it produces an error saying that the redistributable of .NET Framework is not functioning. It changed for whatever reason, as you can see here in the error log. So when you close this, you go to launch instead of install, and launch will only install the application and not including the .NET Framework and Microsoft Foundation classes. But as those are 9 out of 10 times already installed on the 1903 images, that is not an issue. So you see the installer run. It actually puts only the application on your desktop, and here you can select run anyway because it's a download from the internet, and the software will start. Okay, you don't have a license, so in this case you need to request a license from the website. You go to the contact page, and that's where you start filling in all the necessary details and submit the form. Now, if you don't fill in all the edit boxes, then you will eventually get also an error on the web page. We're expecting a full name, address, and living details to make sure that our administration is correct. But I also noticed that some people are skipping a few of the fields, and that produces an error. You can ignore that. It is what it is at this moment in time. Too many moving parts to fix all the small stuff and exceptions that people are making. So we're filling in a form, giving all the details. Make sure that you put your email address in, otherwise it'll not work. And then copy the two hardware key text fields into the hardware ID 1 and hardware ID 2. And then once you've submitted that information, you will receive over the email a license file that you store in the C Connect and Exchange folder. Okay, so the form is submitted. Now we're moving towards placing the file in the correct location. Already we've copied it, put it on the clipboard. We paste it in the right folder, and once it's saved, you can start the application and everything should be working fine. Alright, thank you. This was a quick edit for those that have the issue with the .NET Framework installer check.